Welcome to ABC Spotlight. Come on, kids, let's learn something new today.
Welcome to our bakery show. From A to Z, let's bake and go. A is for apple pie, warm and sweet. Fresh from the oven, what a treat. B is for brownie, chocolate delight. Soft and yummy, every bite. C is for cupcake, small and fun. Frosting colors for everyone. D is for donut, round and nice. Sugar on top like snowy ice. E is for eclair, creamy inside. Chocolate topping, open wide. F is for flour, white and fine. Mix it well and you'll be fine. G is for gingerbread, spicy and sweet, little cookie friends to eat. H is for honey, golden glow, makes our bakery goodies grow. I is for icing, swirl it high, pretty patterns on the pie. J is for jam, fruity spread, perfect on warm, fresh bread. K is for kitchen, clean and bright, where we bake from day to night. L is for loof, rising tall, slice it up and share with all. M is for muffin, soft and round, best bakery snack in town. N is for nuts, crunchy bite, sprinkled and left and right. O is for oven, hot and strong, bake it right, not too long. P is for pancake, flip it fast, golden circle stack at last. Q is for quick mix, stir and spin, let the baking fun begin. R is for roll, twist and bake, tasty bread we love to make. S is for sugar, sweet and white, makes desserts a pure delight. T is for tart, crispy base, fruity topping takes its place. U is for utensil, spoon and pan, helping us bake the best we can. V is for vanilla, flavor so nice, a tiny drop is our secret spice. W is for whisk, mix it round, fluffy batter we have found. X is for Xmas, cake big and bright, decorated just right. Y is for yeast, help it rise, watch the dough grow to the skies. Z is for zest, orange peel, adds fresh flavor to our meal. From A to Z we baked with glee, alphabet bakery, you and me. Sing it again, clap your hands, best little bakers in the land.
Thank you for watching. If you had fun, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. See you again on ABC Spotlight.